What's good? It's Cliff from the Go and Clear channel. I'm doing a new video on how to do a data transfer or onto a new iPhone. So what you're going to do is get your new iPhone, you're going to power it on where it says hello, etc. You're going to swipe up and then you're going to select your language. It's going to ask you about doing a data transfer. So it's going to do this. Quickly set up iPhone is going to come up on your screen. You're going to get your other phone and then it's going to say continue on it. You're going to hit continue. Then you're going to see this screen, this iconic screen, which is going to have a QR code on it, a digital moving QR code. Then you're going to have this. I'll ask you for the passcode on your other device. I'm going to pop it in. You're going to press next. Set up mobile service. Visit or contact your local O2 store to get instructions on how to set up your phone number on this phone. If you've already talked to your network provider, have a QR code. I'll do set up later because all I'm going to do is physically move the SIM card over. So you have options there. You can pick to set up from your other phone or you can download over the internet. Both take 15 to 20 minutes. You can agree to all the terms and conditions. Basically what you're going to see here is these options on screen. Oh, this is hot. This switch between silent, ring call for calls and alerts, or focus, or camera, or torch. This featuring is really hot. And the time estimate for the backup. This is funny. See my Christmas tree in reflection. The phone's so clean.